On April 18th, 2024, Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies responded to a disruptive passenger complaint at Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport. A female passenger removed from her flight by airline personnel was contacted for an investigative detention. What followed escalated into a felony arrest.
What's going on, ma'am? Ma'am. Sheriff's office, what's going on?
Okay, what's going on is that he just took me from my plane, and I could have stayed on my plane.
You got removed from the plane?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Don't know why.
Somebody wants to get a statement from them?
She was the last one 3 months to get on the plane. She was at the bar. We asked her, did she have to take on her clothes?
I'm going to give you my ID.
That's behind your back.
I'm about to give you my ID.
Too late.
I'm about to give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
We'll get it.
They arrested me. They couldn't take me to jail.
So you what with the smoke?
I just said I'm going to give you my ID.
Let's go. We need to get...
I just said I'm going to give you my ID.
Okay, let's go with the program here.
Hey Siri.
Let's go.
Hey Siri. Call my husband.
Let's go downstairs.
Hey Siri. Can I get my food and stuff? Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Hey Siri. Call my husband.
Let's go.
Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Okay, you don't gotta grab me like this like I'm a criminal or something. Okay, let me go. These cuffs are hurting my head. I am gonna cooperate.
That's not cooperating.
Hey Siri, call my husband. Can I pull my shirt down? This is embarrassing. Like, what the f*** you got all my shit out? With your rude white ass. Can you pull my shit out? It's not up, it's down. Like you have stolen all my stuff. Don't go in the gate. Can you pull my pants up? Like I'm gonna file a lawsuit on your mother. This shit is hurting my head. It's hurting my head.
Let's go.
It's hurting my head.
Look.
It's hurting my head.
We tried walking you forward. Go.
You hurting me.
We're not hurting
You
you.
hurting me. Hurting me why? It's hurting my head. You ain't gonna grab on me like that. You rude ass, fat ass. Hey Siri, call my husband. Don't put your teeth on that.
Kick me!
You kicking me? Don't kick me. You heard me. You don't
Grab my foot!
Hey Siri, call my husband.
God damn it!
She's on you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Siri, call my husband.
Under Terry versus Ohio. 1968, officers may briefly detain a person when specific articulable facts suggest criminal activity. A disruptive passenger complaint at a commercial airport satisfies that threshold. The subject is not free to leave, and the moment she physically attempts to do so, she commits a separate offense under Wisconsin Statute Section 946.41. Obstructing an officer, a Class A misdemeanor. When the subject kicks the deputies, the legal calculus changes entirely. Wisconsin Statute Section 940.203 classifies intentional bodily harm to a law enforcement officer performing official duties as a Class H felony, up to 6 years imprisonment and a $10,000 fine. One act of physical contact converted a misdemeanor situation into felony exposure. Under Graham versus Connor. 1989. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. Active assault by kicking legally justified escalation to hard controls or less lethal tools. The deputies chose neither maintaining proportional restraint throughout. That decision withstands constitutional scrutiny. The pre-transport search is constitutionally mandatory under United States versus Robinson, 1973. Wisconsin Statute Section 968.1 6.25. Additionally requires female officers to conduct searches of female subjects. When available, a protocol the deputies correctly followed. No warrant is required. Lawful arrest supplies the authority.
Hey Siri!
Come that way. Let me go ahead and get the door to see.
Hey Siri!
Coming through.
Yeah, coming through. Stop. Let me go. Stop there. You can let me go. Stop. You hurting my hand. I don't give a about none of this. I didn't do shit.
Okay.
You didn't come to my home. Stop him. I didn't do shit. Get the leg out. Let me go. I don't give a about this. Y'all done come to my home and trip. And y'all gonna refund me for this shit. No, and I need to piss. Can I take a piss? Or I'm gonna piss on this floor. I need to use the restroom. 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 You got it? Yeah, I got it. I need to use hold her leg. Hold her leg. I need to use the restroom. So y'all want me to piss on myself? I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. Okay? I'm good. Should have got here. I need to use the restroom. Or this y'all done made me miss a mother flight for what?
We're trying to get the story up there, okay?
Yeah, and you was assuming.
Everything went to hell.
And you was assuming.
I didn't have a chance to
Cause
do
that already
anything.
pissed me off. Put me off of my flight. With your racist ass. With his gay ass. But I guess cause he part of LGQPT, it's alright. No, don't. Do it look like
I'm gonna take these out.
no, you not. Give me my glasses.
Okay.
Okay, get her in the cell. Get her in the cell.
Stupid ass. I gotta use the
You're
bathroom.
going to have the opportunity now while we do your felony paperwork.
Take these cuffs off. Take the cuffs off. I gotta pee. The fact I'm supposed to pee in my motherfucking pants.
Sit down on the bench.
Can you take the cuffs off?
Take this stuff off. Sit down on
Okay,
the
you
bench.
can take it off.
No, I can't.
Can we?
Sit down on the bench.
No, I'm not.
I will take the leg
I
out.
want to pee. You want me to pee on myself? No, I'm not. I can pee on myself.
Come here. I'll take the cuffs off.
I just asked you to take them off. I just have to pee. What's your racist ass?
Can we get up?
Can you take these off so I can pee?
Yeah.
Because unfortunately I can't pee like this.
Okay, so in order for us to take them off, you gotta go towards that bench.
Like what's your racist ass? Why should have put that on me? I don't give a I already going to jail for Germantown. You're not putting that on me.
You listening to him?
I'm not. Listen to no about it. You are.
Ken.
No! Move! I don't like females! Get away from me! I don't want no females in here! I don't want no females in here! Move! I don't want no females in here!
Don't we put this belt on you?
So you can go ahead and use the bathroom.
I'm not putting shit on! Get the away from me! I'm not putting shit on!
Why?
Not putting shit on!
Why?
Because I'm not! Why the y'all take me off my plane?
I never took you off.
Is y'all finna refund me? You're not!
Take it off and let her in there.
They lost $3,000. I don't give a. Y'all can stand right here all motherfucking day. Alright, they missed my flight. I ain't got shit to lose.
Okay.
Don't give a
put
about
this on
shit.
here.
I'm not standing up for shit. I'm standing right here. You can bail me out and I can pay myself to get out. So give me my ticket and you can keep me like I am.
It's pass the
You want
ticket.
to use the restroom?
You can keep me out. I am. I'm gonna piss like this. Write me up whatever I need to do to get me the out of here. so I can call me a ride. Get me out of here.
You're not gonna go get a ride. You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
Yes, you are. There's
For
no-
what?
For battery to a police officer.
I didn't batter no police
Yes,
officer.
you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
Okay, let's get her in the squad. Let's have them search her. We'll get her
I
in
don't
the
give a
squad,
fuck them searching.
and then she can go right to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
I'm not gonna argue with
I'm not. Because I didn't do shit.
Just have to go right to the spot.
you. No, we gotta search her.
Okay.
You ain't searching nothing. Because I didn't do shit.
Right here?
Yep.
You can get the out of my pocket. Because I don't got shit.
Stabilize her against the wall.
No, I don't care. About none of that. Yeah, so y'all start searching, I'm gonna piss. Nah, that's gonna be a real. Yeah.
You got from here.
Don't just grab my hair like that, weak ass.
Is your
Did you have your pocket?
Who would bring something with them going out of town with y'all dumb ass?
Miss? We still have to search you.
Okay, don't search me.
Well, we
Like
have
I'm not that dumb or slow.
I'm calling across your front.
I didn't say
You can get away from me.
I'm calling across your front.
Okay. I heard you the first time. Get off of me.
Secure her head. Someone let Jeff in here and secure her head.
He's good.
All right, let's just put her in a squad car.
Okay. What squad are we taking?
Tahoe.
And I need to make a phone call.
What car are we?
And I need all my shit. Can I get my shit? These prescription glasses. I need my glasses. I can't see. I need my glasses.
505, you got your keys?
I can't see. I need my glasses. Can I get my glasses? I can't see. I can't see. Those are prescription glasses. I'm not moving so I can see.
Some more zoomers just came out right there.
Can I get my glasses? I need my glasses. I can't see.
Let's go.
I can't see.
Hold on.
I need my glasses. Let go of my hands like that. You're not gonna be walk like that with your racist white ass. Racist white. Can you let go of my hand? Can I get relaxed first? With your white ass?
Get her in the car.
No, I'm not.
Jeff, hold on until Alex gets over there.
Break your glasses. Like you, I can't see. You won't see.
You gotta put your seatbelt on. Watch her foot.
Yeah, watch my foot. It looks crazy. You black want to blend in right with their ass.
My camera.
You want to blend in right with their ass. No, I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Go get it. Go get it. Oh, wait. She's sticking her foot.
Stop grabbing me like
Don't.
that. You gonna arrest me?
No,
I will spit on you. I will spit on you. Don't grab my lip like that. You gonna arrest me? You gonna...
Following this incident, the subject was charged with 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 940.203, obstructing an officer under Section 946.41, and disorderly conduct under Section 947.01. Case disposition was not confirmed in public record at time of this analysis. The Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies receive a B+. Initial approach was calm and professional. When subjected to felony-level assault, they responded with proportional control rather than retaliatory force, commendable under any use of force standard. Minor deductions apply for inconsistent command clarity during handcuffing and the protracted restroom standoff. The female subject receives a D. The flight removal grievance may have been legitimate, but every criminal charge in this case followed choices made after deputies arrived. Walking away from a Terry stop generated a misdemeanor. Kicking a deputy generated a Class H felony. The body cam documenting both acts will serve as the prosecution's primary evidence. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, physical resistance is never protected. City of Houston versus Hill confirms profanity toward officers is lawful speech, but physical conduct is not. Second, the remedy for perceived injustice is through legal channels after the encounter, not during it. Third, body camera footage works in both directions. It documents officer conduct and subject conduct equally. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.